Okay. Solving triangles. Right. To solve a triangle means we need to find all the unknown sides and angles. So on your page, it has this first part. To solve a triangle means you need to write down the rest. To find all the missing sides and angles.
Oh, geez, I think we're doing something new.
Every angle inside the game to find. So when I say solve a triangle, you need to find everything that isn't already told to us. Okay. Now this is not anything new.
That's a lot of work, though.
The tools we'll be using are SOHCAHTOA, sine, cosine, and tangent, right? Angle sum theorem, that means all the angles add up to 180. Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So it's nothing new, it's just a new spin on things. It's a new outlook, if you will. A new order of operations.
Hold on.
Wait.
Also looking out of the building where the air is flowing out.
Everyone wrong when they're trying to say something.
So it's fun.
You do it every time. Let's do two. You got two things. You prove everyone wrong, and you answer someone's question with a freaking question.
You're like a grown-up now.
And he thinks his jokes are funny.
Whoa!
He said freaking.
I didn't know we're roasting Mr. Branch today.
You're like a grown-up now.
I'm dead.
Wait,
wait.
Hey.
That's what she does.
Oh, wrong way.
Ew. Does it put the angles on there now?
Yeah.
Ew, no, Austin, don't.
You have to do angle sum theorem, Pythagorean theorem.
I don't know.
Do it.
P-Y-T-H-A-G.
Wait, P-Y-T-H.
A-G.
I'm gonna throw up.
Do it.
Yeah. Awesome, stop.
I gotta quit this down now.
You're disgusting.
Oh.
Okay.
Just do it.
You're so gross. Alright.
When you start landing on somebody's window.
Awesome, stop.
It's just like, what,
Okay.
Mr. Cano's working
Yes.
on this and like.
Guys.
There's a chunk in that one.
Ooh, hey, bro, the chunks are.
Christian, stop talking.
It was white too.
Austin.
Oh, those Steve.
Gentlemen, I am recording this. So, all I have to do is take it on Mr. Alston's arm and say, hey, these two guys are being distracted in my class. Can you write them up? Give them my assessment.
Hey, you might as well delete this
You
video.
want to do that?
No.
Okay. Alright. So, to solve this triangle means I'm going to find all the angles and sides I don't know. Right? So, what angles don't I know here?
58.
32.
No, I know 32. What angles do I not know? What angles don't I know?
Oh.
I don't know H.
An S.
So I'm going to find
S is 90.
the measure of angle H. Right?
Wait, what's S stand for?
Measure. I'm going to need to find the measure of angle H. Right? What else don't I know?
You do not know the side HS.
You do not.
You don't know the hypotenuse.
We don't know HS.
You don't know the hypotenuse.
And we don't know KH. So we need to find that angle and those two side legs.
We can do that.
Now I gave you a list of tools. We can do SOHCAHTOA, angle sum theorem, Pythagorean theorem.
Wait,
Right? So what do you guys want to find first? Yes, Alexis.
why did you put HS?
HS?
This one.
Yeah, but wait, you're talking about. Oh,
Hey,
okay.
HS.
Yeah. Measure angle H, side HS, and side KH. Those are the
Did you use KHS because
I did.
Oh, I just.
If you look on the back, it's RCKETS. So your guess spells.
Fox.
Oh, you forgot the O. You spelled rocket.
I know, but if I put an O up there, you think it's a 0.
Oh, yeah.
So, any questions? So you need to find those three things. Now, I like these types of problems because there's really no wrong way to do them. All right, Robbie, there's no wrong way to do this problem. Pick something you know how to do and start there. So what's something you guys know how to do right now?
Angle sum theorem.
180
Angle sum theorem. So, what is it?
SOHCAHTOA.
Angle sum theorem will find us H, right?
Yeah.
So we know all these angles add up to 180. So to find H, we can do 180 minus
32.
and
90.
what does that equal?
58.
We are
58.
such students.
So that means measure angle H is 58. Does that make sense?
Sure.
No.
180, right?
Yeah.
So this plus this plus this equals 180.
I have a question.
So 180, I'm answering a question right now. Okay? Not your question, but a question. Okay? Right? So I can solve for h by subtracting 32 and subtracting 90. Which is what I did right here. And that'll give me h. Okay?
Barrett, you are smart.
Jasmine, what's your question?
How are we supposed to do that if we only have one side with
We can't do it
You
yet.
have two. Oh,
we have one?
Okay?
What extra one?
So to do the Pythagorean theorem, Jasmine, we need to find the side still. Okay? We can do that, but we need to find one of the other sides. Right? So now I know my angles, so the next thing I need to do is find sides, right?
Yeah.
Which side do you guys want to find? KH or HS?
HS.
HS, okay. HS is over here. Wesley's the first one I heard, I'm sorry.
Barrett, what
He
does
actually
it
said
say?
KH.
He did?
Yeah, I said it like.
He said KH, I said HS.
You did? Alright.
No, it doesn't
Right.
matter.
What
Alright,
does it
we'll
say?
find HS because KH is easier. We'll find HS first.
Is that a 4 or is
Okay.
that 1 minus 1?
Where?
On the top.
H. 32 plus 90 plus H.
Oh. Dang, your numbers are bad.
It's not a number, Christian. It's a letter.
Dang, that's how bad it is then.
Letter.
There you go.
Alright. So let's find HS. So what is B to angle 32?
Opposite.
Opposite.
Code.
Right? What is 8 to angle 32?
Jason.
Adjacent. So I could do tangent of 32 equals opposite over adjacent, right? Right?
Yeah.
Could I also do tangent of 58?
Yeah.
Yeah, if I did tangent of 58, we'd have 8 over B,
True.
right?
Yeah.
Will we get different answers or the same answer?
Same.
The same answer. Doesn't matter which one I do. So Wesley, how do you pick? You want to use 32 or 58? 58, okay. We'll do tangent of 58 then. So, tangent 58 equals B, or 8 over B. So how do I solve for B now?
Alright, you times you divide. You do.
You gotta do the tangent first.
Oh, it's 1.600.
1.600.
So 1.6.
Okay, equals 8 over B. Right?
Yeah.
So now what? Multiply by B.
Yeah.
So let me get right over here. 1.6b equals 8. Now we do
Divide by 160.
divide by 1.6.
Yeah, that.
Okay.
I knew that.
So that means b equals
5.
5. Exactly.
Exactly.
So that means this is 5, which means HS is
5.
5. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So Jasmine, now I know two sides. Can I do Pythagorean theorem now?
No.
I can't?
No.
And Wesley, this is why I wanted to find this one instead, because now this one is
Big.
the hypotenuse. So this is my C, right? Right? So to find that last side, we can use Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared.
8 squared plus 5 squared equals.
So 64 plus 25 equals C squared. 64 and 25 is 89. Right? Yeah, 89. Okay. So what's the square root of 89?
9.4.
That means our hypotenuse is 9.4. Now, is that the only way to do this problem?
No.
No, that's not the only way to do this problem. Okay. We could have used cosine here instead of tangent. Okay, could have done cosine, or sorry, not cosine there. Yeah, we could use cosine. No problem. My fault. We use cosine of 32 and did 8 over the hypotenuse and solve for the hypotenuse first. and worked our way back. We could use sine of 58 equals 8 over the hypotenuse and worked our way back. Okay? So there are multiple ways to solve this. Would I get the same answers?
Yes.
Regardless of the way you solve it, you'll get the same answer. Alright? Are there any questions?